Whoa, they're up. Yeah, it's up.
Did you want that for one of these?
That for later. Put it on a hat. Come on. Should be it. No. Here we go. Drop that, yeah? That's for later, that.
Where's Hammer?
There off fly. There. Don't know why I'm saying there, because doesn't make you see it, does it? Okay, but like I was just going to do one. It started above. So we don't run out, so I don't go. But yeah, next one's Kieran's.
Alright.
Got a digger in there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. You there? so it's like it comes in there. You just measure from up to that and then take some. No, times 2. That's that. So there.
Oh, you want to get full flights? And I've got.
Do it 1.2. Yeah. Find that 1.7, so 850 is about here-ish. Centre. Sleeper there, that way. There we are. Do it with porosity. Good morning. It's nearly 12. It's like 11:59. How is everyone? We are today, as you've seen, putting sleepers in, moving all this about, and then hardcoring up. But as you've seen on previous videos, through the house, buckets on. The barrow won't get through this door here, so it's just awkward. Steps at either side, blah blah blah. Just easier with buckets. So we're going to carry 2 buckets, do some bicep curls on the way back in. But yeah, it's taking shape now. Looks loads better than yesterday already. But let's have a look. Let me spin you around. So yeah, so we just spread that. We had it were all really sand and rubble really. We spread that about. Put it down back at sleeper. You got your step here coming in. That's going to be 1.2, so I think it comes over to about here where my shadow is. But yeah, that's only 1 step up, so yeah, it's fine. We thought it were going to be 3 sleepers, if I'm honest. So yeah, let's get some Tiram down on that and then get some hardcore brought in. This just makes me laugh. Did it yesterday, didn't I? It's just that were underneath decking. It's just a rat's paradise, isn't it? I love it. I love it. But this is our side done properly. So yeah, let's get his bucket on, I think. He's taking some out. Nice. So yesterday, just before we finished, we dropped off 1.5 tons before, because van's in for the service today, but it'd been nice doing it. 1 ton on van, go get 1 ton and have a rest. Go get 1 ton, have a rest. This is 1.5 tons, I bet we're just under halfway, maybe the third at way, I don't know. It's freaking red hot. what are we on? 28th of February. And it's the first time we've felt the sun, if you like the heat, you know what I mean? And then because both doors are open, you're going through the door, going through the house, heating's on. So it's frigging red hot in there. And then you come out of the side and you're like, woof. But it's all part and parcel, isn't it? Get charged for this. Get charged for bad access. Get charged for using buckets. You know, they've had an extra payment, extra labour payment onto it, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's all fun. It's what you do. You don't shy away from these ones, because this is when they know that you're hard working. Oh, he's done his job. Oh, God, he went through a house for that. Oh, God, You know what I mean? Don't turn them ones down, man. You don't want easy ones all the time. What's fun in that? Can't be telling new stories, can I? Just the same story all the time. Bit boring, innit? But yeah, we're gonna have a cup of tea now and crack on. Right, so sleepers in, this one and the step. We've just bobbed them in. But yeah, I'm not taking shape now. Gravel boards are going Monday. I'm going to put them on van when we get his van back. But all this will be scooting around, taking shape, whackering it. Might even get this posting as well and drop this down. We'll see where that falls to, and we'll drop it down as sleeper. But yeah, doesn't that look loads better compared to what it was yesterday, or even video before that. But yeah, confirmed today. They're off weight, Candler Grey, 3x2s, which will just make it feel bigger, because it'll just be big long lines of 3x2s, brick effect, all that. Just freshen it up, just totally freshen it up. I've said to them this weekend to paint this wall this weekend if they've got time. Just so they're not getting it all over flags, but they can do it, because there'll be a gravel strip at that side. But yeah, next week's pretty big week. Pretty big. First few days, really, bringing stuff in. Like you've just seen, buckets. We're going to prep that area Monday. Put another sleeper in. It goes on angle over to that area that's sleepers, so we're going to keep that out until we stop coming in and out as much. But we're going to prep that area on Monday, and then Indian Stone's coming Monday, so that'll be getting carted in as well. So it'll be nice. So it'll be tech out, but bring in at the same time. So yes. Hope you guys have a nice weekend, and I'll see you on Monday.